Welcome to our first session. In this session, we will cover some basic stuff, what programming is and a bit about Python. First, let's talk about what programming means. But before that, let's discuss how computers actually work. Computers are made of many parts that need electricity to do anything. They understand only two things, high voltage, which they see as 1, and low voltage, which they see as 0. So, when we type something like 25 on a computer, it's really just a bunch of ones and zeros like shown on screen. Same goes for words like hello. In the early time, people had to connect or disconnect wires to make computer do stuff. But that was pretty hard, so they made translators called compiler and interpreter. These translators made it easy for scientists to write instructions in a way that human could understand. Then the translators converts our instructions into a language that a computer could understand. Grace Hopper made the first compiler. A compiler changes all the code into a computer language at once, and interpreter does it line by line as the code runs. When we write instructions in a language we can understand, and these translators change them into something that computer can understand. So programming is just giving instructions to computers. We write these instructions in a language we understand, and the translators translate them. Some languages like C or Java use compilers, while others like Python or PHP use interpreters. Python was created by a Guido Van Rossum and was first released in the year 1991. Guido Van Rossum aimed to solve the problems of other programming languages such as complex syntax and difficult readability. A fun fact about Python is that Rossum was a fan of BBC comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus, so he named his language Python. Python is a high-level language, meaning it is easy for humans to understand. It is very famous for its readability and simplicity. Python has easy syntax that allows programmer to write instructions in just a few lines of code. Besides being simple and readable, Python is also well known for its versatility. You can use Python for the web development with the powerful web frameworks like Django and Flask. It is also used in a data science, machine learning, automation, game development, GUI applications, mobile app development, the Internet of Things, and much more. You can do all of this because Python has many powerful libraries that support a wide range of tasks. Most of these libraries are third-party contributions. Well-known companies like Google and Facebook contributes to Python. Applications like Instagram, Dropbox, Spotify, Uber, Guido, Pinterest, and many others have been developed using Python. So that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.